Yes. So we are going to do with this model. What you need to do in this figure is first you have to observe the geometries. So here first geometry is this, or I can take first body as this, which is having three profiles. One circle here, one circle this side, then we have a mid circle here. So first we'll do with this body number one, or sketch number one. I'm going to draw first this sketch. So let me see the figure in the Catia. Yes, here it is. So on which plane is it coming? Top plane. Okay. So I go to the position sketch. I select the top plane, then go to the origin projection point, click, and here see H and V. So V should come here, H should come here. So I take V backside. Again, I'll show you how to take H and V. Here in this model, here you have a swap. Reverse V, reverse H. If you see this, reverse V is going in the reverse direction. H is going in the reverse direction. What I do, you can do in this way, or you can swap it. If you swap it, in H position V will come, V position H will come. So now I go to the V. I'll give OK now. So let me check with the dimensions. So first this circle radius is 15. This one is given here. Let me annotate. So this one radius is 15 mm. So I draw first 15 circle, then this is 15, then we check with this geometry. What is the circle of this? Is this circle, which is 50 mm. Okay. So 50 mm is at the center, and here's 15 mm radius, here 15 mm radius. First I draw this circle 50 mm. So let me use that. So I'm in the sketcher workbench. Let me take this sketches. One minute, it is taking time. Yes. So now we have got all the profiles. So I take
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? ಹಲೋ
ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
Hello, is my voice clear, everyone? Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello, guys, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so fine. So what I do here is, first I am going to take this circle, 50 mm circle I draw. So I click here, I double click. So this one is 50. Then I take one more circle here. Yes. Now I go to the constraints commands. I'll give this. So this one is 50 diameter. Double click and give 50. And this one is 15 radius. Double click here and change it to radius and give 15 mm. The location from here to here is 35 mm here. He has clearly given. So I go here and I give 15 mm dimensions. From here to this line is 15. Okay, 15 mm, right? No, it's 35, no, not 15. It's 35. 35 mm. 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 Yes, it's 35. Then we have one more geometry here, which is line, which is tangent to these two circles. So what I do is I take the tangent line. In the line command, you can get this by tangent. Select this circle and select this circle, you get a tangent line. So next what I do is remaining, I'm going to mirror every side. So first I mirror this, go to the mirror option, this and this about this axis. Then again this about this axis. Then this two about horizontal axis. This line and this line, again I mirror about horizontal axis. So now we have drawn the base. Right. So what I do is here, I'm going to trim it. I'm going to erase the rest of the portions. This. So I have erased it, right? So again, I have to draw two more circles here. So which is of 30, not these circles we have to draw. So what is the diameter of this two? Which is given here, 12 mm diameter. So I go to the circle again. So first circle is here. Then give the dimensions to this circle, which is diameter is 12 mm. Select dia and give 12. And the location same. This circle and this circle becomes concentric, same center. So now I am going to mirror this circle that side. Click on this, go to the mirror option and click here. So exit the workbench, see the pad length. We will give pad now. So I insert a body and I'll give pad. But here, if you see, we have one extra line. We have to delete before padding this. I delete this and let me check with the sketch solving status whether it is ISO constraint or not. Yeah, it is ISO constraint. Exit the workbench. Then pad it. So what is the pad length? Anyone here? Pad length is given here, 10 mm. Here he has given 10 mm. I'll give 10 mm and in reverse direction, give OK. So again, we have here two circles, same circle here, 50 mm. So I draw that and inside 30 mm circle with the deep thick, this of 6 mm. So here what I do, you can choose the sharp command or you can directly make a circle also. So what I do here, I go with the positioning sketch with that. So first I'm going to define in work object sketches. Go to the positioning sketch, select this axis. So let me take a line above this 28 mm. Above this, I take like a vertical distance 28 mm. I'll give directly, I'll give enter. Yeah, above 28 I have taken. The radius is 25 mm because this is total 50. 50 by 2, radius is 25. So I give length as 25. Here give 25, enter, horizontal line. Then after drawing that, yes. So I just deactivate this. And I convert this as a construction element. So I just take this side. Then what we do is here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 25 ತಗೊಂಡೆ, but we have to take this inside, right? We have to take one more line. So from here to here is 25, right? Then we have to take one more circle also. The total bore is 30 mm, right? Yeah, again I start drawing it. So total is 25. This bore is 30. Hole is 30. 30 minus this 25. 50 minus 30. Dia. So 20 mm, 10 mm. This is 10 mm. So what I do is here. From here I take ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಳಿತೀನಿ ಲೈನ್. ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು 30 mm ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 50 mm ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕಳೆಯೋದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡು, ಐ ಡ್ರಾ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಓಕೆ. ಐ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 10 mm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಧ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 25 ಮೈನಸ್ 15, 10 mm ಇದು. ಸೊ 10 mm ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 6 mm ಡೀಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ 6 mm. Okay, then we'll take the line, this line up to here. Then come here and deactivate this. See the ISO constraint. Yeah. So I go outside. Then I revolve this. Go to the revolution command. For that, what you need to do is first define this body. Go to the shaft command. Select this. Then select the axis. Give preview. Yeah. So give OK. So now the center portion supposed to go, right? So you go to the just pocket. Then in the pocket, just right click, go to the create extract. Then select this center, give OK. Then you make full limit to this, give OK. So your model is created. Okay. So next is this 6 mm. Go to this plane and first go to the sketches. Then select this plane. Then go to the projection point as this and swap it. Reverse V, give OK. This is 6 mm dia circle. So 6 mm means like I'll give like a 3 mm would be its radius. Give enter. What is its vertical distance? From here it is 28 mm, right? So I'll locate here. Then I'll change it from this radius to diameter. I'll make it. Then double click on this. From this edge to this center point is 28. Give
12 mm.
ಬ್ರದರ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇದು 12 mm ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಲೋ
ಸರ್ 12 ಅದು 28 ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಏನ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ?
ಸರ್ ಅದ್ ಲೆಂತ್ 12 mm ಸರ್ ಅದು ವಾಲ್ ಇದ್ರ ಲೆಂತ್
ಅದೇ 12 mm ತಗೊಂಡಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ.
28 ತನ್ರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ 12 mm. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 mm ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 mm ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? So now I give the pocket. So define in work object, go to the pocket, select this sketch, give mirror extend, give OK. In this way you can do this model. Okay.